weekend cleaning this house, so I'm locking in for a few hours to get this house nice, fresh and sparkly clean, because we've got a heat wave coming and I'm not scrubbing this place when it's 28 degrees outside. Do you know what? I've got a bit of a confession. After we've eaten our dinner of an evening, sometimes we just don't want to clean up straight away and we do leave it for the day after. We like to just sit and enjoy being in a bit of a food coma and binging a series. And I'm here to remind you that's perfectly okay for you to do the same sometimes as well. Open those windows up, let the food stench out. The thing that is in the firing line when this happens though is the stove, and I'm not proud of this. Can you believe this is from me cooking one dinner? She's getting a double cleanse. This is the equivalent of if you've gone to bed with your makeup on, your lashes, you wake up in the morning and you need to give that face a good deep cleanse twice. I've got to admit though, that is a distant memory for me because I cannot go to sleep if I've got a crumb of mascara left on my lashes. And we are officially proud parents of a sourdough starter. Not only have we now got to keep a 14-year-old Pomeranian alive, we've also got to keep this sourdough starter alive. But I'm very excited. We've wanted to do this for ages. I feel like that's a sign that you are creeping up to 30 when you get interested in making sourdough. But if anyone's got any top tips, please throw them my way. Also, embarrassed to admit this, I've not tried any washing outside yet. Whenever I go